Today we are going to fix my favorite knife after a household knife sharpener on the Profile K03 sharpening system. You can see what the use of a household sharpener can do. The cutting edge looks like a saw. Position our knife in the clamps. Tighten the fixing screws. The knife is well secured. Choose a diamond stone from Veal 200/160 to deburr and tidy up our knife. Set the angle we need for sharpening the knife on the built-in Axicube electronic angle gauge. The preparation is finished. Let's start the most enjoyable process, sharpening the knife. Gently work with the knife. Remember not to press down on the abrasive. Turn your knife over for even sharpening on both sides. Alternate abrasives in the increments you need from deburring to finish sharpening. I will finish this knife with a Veal Natural Diamond 7/5 stone, bringing our knife to perfection with light strokes to one side. Look at how smooth our cutting edge has become. And of course, we will test the sharpness on a tomato. Perfect. Thanks for watching.